It was a crisp Saturday morning in rural Pennsylvania when the elite black SUVs pulled into the gravel driveway of a remote shooting range. Inside them were some of the world's richest men, venture capitalists, tech moguls, and hedge fund legends. They had come not for meetings or mergers, but for something oddly simple, a private, skills challenge retreat organized by billionaire Chad Whitaker, a man who believed the true measure of leadership came from precision, patience, and a steady hand. The guests laughed and boasted as they prepped their high-end rifles, comparing scopes and military-grade accessories. A few even bet tens of thousands on who would land the cleanest set of shots. But none of them noticed the small figure quietly sweeping leaves near the range entrance, an older woman in worn sneakers, a faded pink cardigan, and a silver bun tucked neatly under a baseball cap that read, "Kindness is power." Her name was Marge Thompson, age 76. Everyone around town knew her simply as Grandma Marge. She was the kind of woman who baked extra pies for the local firehouse, left hand-sewn quilts at the shelter during winter, and gave free knitting lessons to kids at the library. But what most didn't know, what even she hadn't told anyone in decades, was that Marge once trained as a sharpshooter during her brief stint in the army, long before she became a school librarian. As the event began, Marge continued tidying up until she overheard a young assistant being berated by one of the billionaires for dropping a scope. Her face tightened. Not in anger, but in disappointment. That was when Chad Whitaker, half joking, turned to her. "You want to go, Grandma?" he laughed, tossing her a spare rifle like a toy. Everyone else chuckled. But Marge didn't flinch. She walked over, adjusted the sights without a word, and took position. The crowd hushed. Her hands, though aged, didn't shake. She looked through the scope, exhaled softly, and squeezed the trigger. Crack. Bullseye. Dead center. Then again. And again. 10 shots. 10 bullseyes. Not a single millimeter off. For a moment, time froze. The billionaires stood in stunned silence, mouths agape, money forgotten. One of them, former Navy, blinked and muttered, "That's impossible." Marge handed the rifle back gently. Sometimes the quiet ones surprise you. A young reporter who had been covering the event live quickly turned the camera toward her. Within minutes, footage of "Simple Grandma Marge Who Outscores Billionaires" went viral. But what came next was even more unexpected. Instead of bragging or monetizing her fame, Marge used the moment to speak, calmly, gently, into the microphone. "You see, shooting straight is a skill. But living kindly? That's the real mark of strength. I'm not here to impress. I'm here to remind you that no amount of money beats compassion. And if you've been given more, then your duty is to do more." Her words hit deeper than her bullets. By Monday, donations poured into her town's underfunded school system. A few of the billionaires anonymously paid off medical debts for dozens of struggling families in the area. One CEO announced a nationwide campaign for veteran support in her name. Another launched a scholarship fund called the Marge Thompson Award for Humble Leadership. When asked later why she chose to step up that day, Marge smiled and said, "Because maybe, just maybe, a quiet act can echo louder than 1,000 loud ones."